Hey, Tech Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to renew hosting. So it's really easy. So all you need to do is open up your Hostinger account. From there, we're going to locate your profile picture, which is normally in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on billing. From there, your subscriptions page will open. Now you need to locate the website hosting you want to renew. So you might already have it on auto renewal like I do here. But if you don't, you can renew it now by clicking on the renew button. So all you need to do is click renew, review your payment method, and follow the instructions at checkout, and you will renew your hosting. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.